Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I'm an applied ecology student. It's a bit confusing why climate scientists cannot say for certain how things like hurricane intensity, sea level rise, and temperature will change over the next 50 years. You think it's science, they should have an answer. However, there's a lot of different uncertainties that surround it, that add to the uncertainty. One such uncertainty is that there's an incomplete understanding of how the physical climate system works. So, scientists don't fully understand how the physical climate system works, and because of that, it's hard to predict out 50 years. One example can be seen in the effects of atmospheric aerosols on clouds. Aerosols haven't been around forever, and so the clouds are slowly changing, or could be changing. And so it's hard for scientists now to predict how these clouds are changing because of atmospheric aerosols and what effect this will have on the climate system as a whole. Another example can be seen in the role of deep ocean in altering the surface heat exchange. Scientists have and will continue studying the oceans for many, many years, but it's hard to understand how this surface heat exchange is working with the deep ocean. It takes many, many years to gather information and make firm hypotheses and develop theories and things like that. And because of that, there's an uncertainty that exists. The surface heat exchange could be helping or hurting the physical climate system and the way it works. We just don't know yet. Of course, scientists will continue to study and try to devise and figure out how the physical climate system works and get to a point where they're pretty certain. But until then, there's always going to be this uncertainty that exists. And because of the uncertainty, it's going to be hard for climate scientists to say how hurricane intensity, temperature, and sea level rise will change over the next 50 years. And as I discussed today, one of the main reasons for an unclear prediction of the next 50 years is that there's an incomplete understanding of how the physical climate system works.